Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add music to your Instagram story. So if you want to add music to your Instagram story, I'll show you guys exactly how to do that in this video today. So this option might not work for you if the country that you are in doesn't allow this option. If it doesn't allow that option, then there's not much you can really do about it. However, if you do have the option but you just don't know where to find it, I'll show you guys exactly where to find it. So make sure you watch until the end to find out if you are able to use the option or not. But first things first, head over to your Instagram app. Once you're in the app, you're going to want to go over and create a story. So let's take a picture real quick of my desk, and then you can put whatever you want on it, draw whatever you want, and then put whatever stickers or text you want on it as well. And once you do that, you're going to want to click on the sticker option, which is one of the 4 options in the top right. It has a little smiley face on it. Once you click on the sticker option, it'll bring up all these options right here. As you can see, there's a lot of options, but you should be able to find an option that says music, as you can see right here. If you click on the music option, then it will automatically bring up all the music that you can use. But if you can't find the option right here, you can just search it in the search bar, just search for music, and it should show up. Once you find the music option, just click on it, and once you click on it, it'll show you all the songs that you can add to your story. So just find the song that you want to add to your story. If you want a specific song, you can search the music by clicking the search bar at the top of the page. But once you find the story or music that you want to use for your story, you can add text to it. As you can see right here, you can use different fonts, like the bold ones or curly ones. You can also just have it as a picture, like right here, as like an album or the song cover, or just like the name of the song cover. Once you're done, you can move it around, resize it, do whatever you want. If you want to edit it again, just click back onto the song or the picture, and it will open up the option to edit it. You can do whatever you can change the time where the song starts or ends, what section of the song you want to play. You can change the duration of the song as well. You can also only music and just certain text or anything like that. But you can also choose text or your story, and it'll start uploading to your story. And as you can see, if I click on it, it hasn't loaded yet, but in the top you can see that a song is playing. So that is how you add music to your Instagram story. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.